Hey everyone! Welcome to our vlog. I am Vince, and today we're diving into something super important. Gender in society, also known as G-Electric. In this vlog, we'll break down what G-Electric is all about, why it matters, and how it connects to our daily lives. Plus, we've got some amazing insights and real-life examples to share with you. So, stick around because this is going to be both fun and eye-opening. So without further ado, let's get started.
Men don't cry. Yes, they do. No, they don't. Yes. No. Yes.
Wait. Let's hit the pause button. What if I told you that gender is more than just pink and blue? Welcome to Breaking Barriers, Gender and Society.
G-Electric, also known as Gender and Society, is not just another subject. It's a wake-up call to understand gender roles, break stereotypes, and promote equality.
So, what is GE Electric? It's an eye-opening course that helps us to explore gender in different aspects, history, society, and even our daily lives.
And it's not just about women's rights. It's about everyone. It challenges stereotype like boys don't cry and girls should be demure because guess what? Peers in leadership don't care about gender.
Imagine a world where your gender didn't limit your choices, where women are CEOs, men are preschool teachers, and LGBTQ plus community are safe everywhere.
That's why gender studies is important. It helps us recognize discrimination, understand privilege, and work towards an equal society.
Hoy, sali naman ako niyan.
Bakit? Lalaki ka ba?
Hoy, sali naman ako niyan.
Si Idol pala to eh.
Uy, volleyball, sali nga ako.
Bakit? Babae ka ba?
Uy, volleyball, baka pwede namang sumali.
Sige, dito ka sa amin. Dadalaw lang kami.
Gender issues are not just in textbooks. They affect our careers, relationships, and even our laws.
Did you know that in many places, women still earn less than men for the same job? But studying gender gives us the tools to fight for pay equity.
And gender-based violence is a reality. In fact, there is a law, Republic Act number 2962, that protects women and children from abuse.
Let's challenge stereotypes. Each member acts out a common gender stereotype and flips it. Example number 1.
Babae ako, pero I can drive.
Men can cry.
Gender equality starts with you. Here's how we can help.
Call out sexism.
Learn and share about gender equality.
Encourage people to break gender norms.
Speak up against unfair comments or actions.
Promote equal opportunities.
G-Electric isn't just a subject, it's a movement.
We hope this blog inspires you to think differently about gender and take actions.
What's one gender stereotypes you have broken? Tell us in the comment.